It's about 6 in the morning. Today's Friday. Tomorrow we have a drift event, and in about 3 hours I'm supposed to be at the alignment shop. Today we are installing a whole bunch of GKTech goodies on the Z. At the last drift event I wasted a set of tires far too quickly. The rear end of this car has a ton of camber because it's pretty low. So today we're gonna fix that. I've got an eccentric lockout kit. I also have a set of traction rods. And to be paired with the eccentric lockout kit, I also have a set of rear tow arms and a set of camber arms. In this last box I have a couple pieces that I've been very excited to run on a car for a long time. These are GKTech super high clearance tension rods. They look super cool. I got no other reason. They just look awesome. I've ran a lot of GKTech stuff in the past. I have a set of their knuckles that I used to run on the Skyline and I absolutely loved them. I've ran a whole bunch of different arms on the rear end of S-ish chassis. And I've never tried using GKTech stuff, so I figured I'd give it a go. I got the arms off both sides, so now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to try to make the arms that I have here approximately the same size as the OEM arms, because like I said, we're gonna go straight from here to the alignment shop and get a proper alignment. Hopefully with the arms set about stock, it'll drive okay. Each one of these arms comes with this nice dust cover boot guy. They fit super well with the spacers that go on either side of the heim joint, so that less water gets in there and hopefully they live longer. I have all the arms set, so I'm gonna go ahead and start putting them in. Probably start with tow arms, then do camber arms, then do traction rods. I hope that's the right way to do it. Honestly, I don't know. Also, GKTech's camber arms are clearly bent, so they're made for lowered cars. That's another thing I haven't seen before and that I think is pretty cool. With all the arms, I got these eccentric lockouts from GKTech as well. The stock arms have an eccentric bolt which helps adjust camber and tow, and this locks that out. So instead of relying on the eccentric, you have the arms more or less centered in the mounts on the subframe, and then you use the arm itself to adjust your camber and such. I just got the rear arms in and done. I can already see with the alignment that's on there, this car's gonna drive like dog water. Hopefully we make it to the alignment shop in one piece. There's at least an 1/8 inch of toe in on the driver's side and close to 0, maybe even a little toe out on the other side. So at best this car will be doglegging. Very excited to get in alignment. Because I'm so late, I've been rushing and I have completely forgotten to film anything related to putting these arms in. Putting tension rods in is pretty easy. I set these to the same length as the stock arms and put them both in like the stock arms. I'll show you these once they're all the way in. They look really cool. Super excited about them. So I got the arms in on the Z, and I totally forgot to show you guys the tension rods in the front. So I'm gonna do my best to show you through the wheel. My apologies, but I'm in a rush here. I gotta get to the alignment shop. So the alignment went well. The car is driving really good. I don't have upper control arms, upper camber arm adjustment on the Z, so the camber up front is the same. But in the rear, I now have about half a degree of camber in the back, which helped a ton at the drift event. It is a few days after the drift event, and the car performed really well. Super happy with the arms, super happy with the alignment. Feels great. Yeah, got nothing to complain about. I'm sorry it's been like 9-10 days since I uploaded, but we've been super busy with the Supra, the Z, and hitting an event. That being said, the next handful of videos will definitely be eventful. I'll see you guys in the next one.